Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove low power mode shortcut to the control center on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Control Center. In Control Center, go down to the More Control section and tap on Low Power Mode. So tap on the green Add button to add it to the Included Controls section. In here, you want to swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now, if you swipe down the Control Center, you can see now there is a Low Power Mode shortcut button. So if you tap on it, it will turn your phone into a low power mode and the battery icon becomes yellow. If I turn off, it will now go back to a white color. And if you want to remove it from the control center, just simply go into Settings and then go into Control Center and tap on the Remove button. Then tap on Remove and that's it. So that's how you can add or remove low power mode shortcut to the control center on the iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.